Alright, I got this chewy box from the customer and see what's inside. Power cable and a USB cable, and look what we got here. A shattered iMac. I am going to remove all those broken glasses and trash them in this paper trash bag, and hopefully I won't cut myself. Let's turn on the iMac and see if the screen is also broken. Nothing. We have no power. Alright, so the iMac is completely dead. No power. We try to turn it on. Nothing. I'm gonna bring them inside, open it, and since the customer have a lot of important data on this iMac, I'm gonna try to recover the data first, and then I'm gonna try to fix it, and hopefully I can get this iMac working again. And yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of iMacs right here. This is what I'm currently working on. 2, 3, and 4 iMacs. Alright, right now I am recovering the data from this iMac hard drive, and while I'm recovering the data, I'm gonna try to fix this iMac and see if I can get it up and running again. And this iMac hard drive right here is definitely dying. 4 hours to recover only 34 gigabyte of data. Alright, so the iMac is turned on and I'm getting this question mark folder sign because the hard drive is right there. I'm still recovering the data. And once I finish recovering the data, I may have to replace this hard drive because the hard drive may gonna fail anytime soon. So I have to replace that one. And I think I am 90% getting this iMac fixed. So we'll see. I contacted the customer and we decided to replace this hard drive with solid state drive. This is what I'm gonna use. And I also installed this hard drive thermal sensor. The solid state drive is installed and I am going to put the screen back. And I got this brand new piece of glass to replace the old one that is cracked. Restoring the data. The iMac is up and running. All the data and files are restored. And the iMac is fixed and ready for the customer to pick up.